Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that as per the prosecution story, this appellant along with other accused had assaulted the informant and other members of the Patna High Court dated 16/7/2021. Prosecution party stop. One of the members of the prosecution party was allegedly assaulted by all the accused persons. Stop. It is alleged that the appellant and co-accused were handed over a sword by the co-accused, which they attacked since deceased on his head and caused injuries whereupon he fell down. Stanza. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that so far as the appellant, namely Ajay Chauhan, is concerned, the allegation against him is that of giving assault by a sword on the head of the deceased, and the same allegation is against co-accused, but the post-mortem report of would show that he had suffered lacerated wounds on mid-head, lacerated wound on left side of forehead of size superficial skin. Stop. Other injuries found on his body were either on the shoulder or on non-vital parts of the body. Stop. The doctors have opined that all the injuries have been caused by hard and blunt objects. Stop. It is thus his submission that as per the prosecution story, when there are co-accused having lathi, danda and iron rod, and there are allegations that all of them had indulged in the assault, the injuries noticed by the doctors, Patna High Court. Stop. The weapon attributed to them cannot be the sword. Stop. The appellant has one criminal antecedent, and in the said case he is on bail. Stanza. Learned special public prosecutor for the state has though opposed the prayer for regular bail of the appellant, but after going through the materials available in the case accepts that the injuries noticed in the post-mortem report have been attributed to hard and blunt object and there is no sword injury. Stanza. Learned counsel for the informant has opposed the prayer for bail of the appellant as according to him there is a specific allegation of assault by this appellant on the head of the deceased. Stanza. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case and the materials discussed herein above, this court sets aside the impugned order and directs release of the appellant above named on bail on furnishing of bail of rupees 25,000 with two sureties of the like amount each to the satisfaction of learned additional district and sessions judge, subject to the condition as laid down under section 437 as under. Stanza. That such person shall not commit an offence similar to the offence of which he is accused or suspected, of the commission of which is suspected, and that such person shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat or promise to any person acquainted with the facts of the case so as to dissuade him from disclosing such facts to the court or to any police officer or tamper with the evidence. Stop. And further condition that the court below shall verify the criminal antecedent of the appellant. Full stop. Over.